What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to properly perform the back squat. So usually between the deadlift and the back squat there's a lot of debate which is better. I like them both and I definitely do both of them in my weightlifting routine, because you can't go without the squat and you can't go without the deadlift. So this is gonna be the back squat, guys. So you definitely should have a squat rack, because this is gonna be very hard if you don't. I know a lot of you guys don't have equipment, so it's gonna be definitely hard because you have to clean up the weight, the bar, then you have to put it behind your neck, which is very dangerous. So I definitely recommend get something like a squat rack. Like for example, this squat rack that I have, I didn't even buy this, I made it from a few items, from some metal. So it's pretty awesome. It holds a lot of weight and it's pretty awesome. It was very cheap. It was about 20 bucks. So you can get it pretty cheap if you're willing, you gotta find someone who knows how to make this. But I definitely recommend you should get a squat rack. So the first thing you should do, feet shoulder width apart, grab the bar, put it on your traps, really squeeze the traps together and place the bar on that spot. There's high bar, low bar squats. Just put the bar where it's comfortable. Now, don't put the bar too much up front on your neck, because that's gonna be very dangerous, because you can easily injure your neck if the bar slips on your back, on your neck back and forth. So that's going to be very easy to get injured. And don't place it too low, because then the bar can slip from your hands and you can definitely get an injury. So this is set number 2. I'm going to show you from the side because I can explain it a lot better when you see it from this angle. So feet shoulder first, I'm going to put the bar on my traps. As you can see, I'm squeezing the traps together and I'm putting it on the trap muscles, lifting the bar up, going back. Now I'm placing my feet about shoulder width apart, as you can see. And you always have to be straight. So be in a straight row, straight back, no arch. And now let's start the movement. It's the same as, imagine you're sitting in a chair. Now I like to go very low on squats. I go the full range of motion. So, I basically go as low as possible. If you guys can't go that low, just go as far as it's comfortable. So the bar has to go in a straight line. Just like with the deadlift, you go down. You see? Bam, slowly. Then explode up, and at the top of the movement, you squeeze the quads. You squeeze the glutes, and then you go back down slowly. Don't overcomplicate the bottom movement. Just the most important part is to always have a straight back and no arch, because you can get a very bad injury on your lower back, which you definitely don't want. So the breathing for the squat is the best if you do at the top of the movement before you go down. Breathe in and squeeze your core and abs. Then when you reach the bottom movement, when you're at the bottom, then you can start breathing out. So squeeze the abs when you're going down and then breathe out when you're going back up. So this is another angle. This is from the front. Now for these 2 sets, I've used very lightweight. Now I'm gonna show you a set with a little bit heavier weight. This is my usual working set, so this is gonna be pretty heavy. So I get the bar off, step back. Here you can really see my feet. So feet are about shoulder width apart, and place the feet equally. Don't have one foot in front of another because that's gonna be weird, so feet about shoulder width apart where it's comfortable, because you gotta think about flexibility and mobility. When you start out, you don't have a lot of that, so keep in mind the movement still has to be somewhat comfortable. So go down slowly. I'm doing all my videos in slow motion because you can see the form a lot better. So as you see, the bar is on my traps. I go down slowly, very slow, all the way down and explode up. Bam. You see, at the top of the movement, I squeeze my quads and my glutes to really have the tension in the muscles, So now I'm going to show you another set. This is the last set I'm going to show you in this video. It's from a different clip because, I've done that former video and it was already dark outside, so the lighting sucks. And here the lighting is pretty much better, so you can see. So I get the bar off, feet, like I said, shoulder width apart. That's the most important thing. Then breathe in and squeeze the abs and the core all the way down. Bam. Just a second pause at the bottom movement. Just a second. You see, a second pause, then start breathing out and explode up, squeezing the quads and the glutes, and you're done. Bam, down slowly, explode up. And that's basically how to perform the squat, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.